Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually wear a pumpkin in your head in Minecraft. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using the Minecraft 1.18. If you have any other version, it will still work for you. And so guys, please make sure that you are watching the whole video, and to not miss any step, make sure to watch it from the beginning until the end. Now let's get ahead and open our single player mode or anything. For the sake of the video, again, I'm using the creative mode, so you can I can have all the materials possible for the tutorial. Now let's get ahead and make sure that we have a pumpkin. Just like so, pumpkin, just like that. And how you can actually turn this to this from this side, from this to this. Basically you need a scissor, so scissor, let's search for it. I don't know how to write it actually, so let's find it. It's cheers actually, not scissor in Minecraft, so it's scissor. How you can do it is basically just get a pumpkin, a normal one, and get it scissor or cheers like so, and you can click on it, right click. Let's get a pumpkin again so you can see how I did it, and just like so you can do it and have it in your Minecraft world. You can actually add some lighting to it by adding torch in the crafting table to it, and it will give you light. So now how you can actually wear this pumpkin, basically you can just after creating it, you can just put it in your head like so, and you will have this creepy face in your head or mask in your face, and it will be hard to see, but it's creepy for others. You can click F5 if you want to have another view of yourself. You will be looking like so, and even your friends will be able to see. You can scare them. You can do a lot of stuff with this head, and also you can use the skin with a pumpkin head if you want to. And yeah, you can like keep switching between like a normal pumpkin head into this face. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.